Om Sri Sai Ram. With the grace of Bhagavan Baba, with his authority and with his will, I have the privilege and the honor to present the Puppet Show Part 2. You all have been seeing for some time now what the Heart Wall Bank has been involved. And it is striving hard. And it can do much, much better with the blessing of the Almighty and with the good wishes and the cooperation of one and all. The $1 million question is, does my heart beat for myself or for others? Swami said that there are two hearts in you, not one. One is the physical heart. You saw just now the operation, which was actually a live operation just 3 weeks before in Bombay, done by Dr. Vijay Agarwal. So that heart is pumping without my knowledge, without my effort, without my being conscious. That's the physical heart. But in the center of my chest, Swami said, there is a spiritual heart where the virtues of compassion, mercy and kindness manifest. And when it does so, it becomes love in action, which we now know it is service to man, is service to God. Manav Seva, Madhav Seva. Gram Seva, Ram Seva. Nar Seva, Narayana Seva. Atma Seva, Paramatma Seva. So I was contemplating upon this when we decided to have this wonderful function. And I was thinking about my own vision that when I am ready to quit this world with full awareness and consciousness, what will I leave for the generations that are going to come? And my immediate concern was for the year 2013 and beyond, at least up to 2050. And Bhagavan inspired me that, Puppet, you do not have to go and look for an opportunity, create the opportunity. And I'm taking the liberty of saying, in the spirit of caring and sharing, from my own personal example, like you saw just now, the play where the doctor says that I am Dr. Anil Kumar, and you just maybe 1 hour before heard the speech of Dr. Anil Kumar. Look at the Swami's timing and the divine play. Likewise, Swami made me realize that you do not have to go and look for an opportunity. Puppet, you have the opportunity. Created opportunity for you to make understand what kindness is, what compassion is. And so he blessed me out of his infinite mercy with high-grade, large, diffuse lymphoma, the blood cancer. I had heard about chemotherapy. I went through 6 cycles of chemotherapy. As I am standing in front of you, somebody told me, Puppet sir, you are looking very handsome. I said, I'm always smart and handsome. Thanks to Baba's Vibhuti. And of course, my dearest wife, who looks after me so very well. And my master, who gives me Vibhuti Prasadam and Sai Tirtham. As I am standing in front of you, very likely that I am in the near future, very soon, I might have to go through a operation myself or a radiotherapy. So I decided that the Heart Wall Bank, which is so far has been concentrating on the heart operations, either by providing the funds or providing the valves or providing the heart surgeon or providing the necessary infrastructure to make sure that the heart valves, defective heart valves are replaced, open heart surgery are performed. and they are offered at the divine lotus feet of the Lord as our worship. I then was thinking very seriously that from 2013, 6th May onwards, which happens to be Ishwaramma Day, and I don't know how many of you in this August Assembly are aware or not, but today is the International Cancer Day, announced by the World Health Organization of United Nations. So there cannot be a better appropriate occasion than this to give you some idea of the way forward. The way forward for Heart Valve Bank will be, in fact, Swami says always that you take one step and I take 10 steps. I was thinking to start the cancer treatment, whether it is chemotherapy, whether it is radiotherapy, or whether it is a surgery, that anywhere, without consideration of caste, creed, religion, sex, and nationality, Heart Valve Bank will now sponsor all these treatments free of cost to all the cancer patients all over the world. And I was thinking that I will make this holy announcement in His immediate divine presence on this auspicious day, which is Mother Ishwaramma Day. There could not have been a better sense of gratitude and offering to the lotus feet of Mother Ishwaramma. Swami once told me to give a talk on Ishwaramma Day, which was in 2010. And Swami told me, Puppet, speak about Amma. And then Swami inspired me to say that Ishwaramma is the mother of Sai, who is Ishwara, and Amma, who is our mother. The Ishwaramma and our own mother are actually the embodiments of Ishwara. So Ishwaramma could not have been given a better sense of gratitude and offering by declaring that this is what Heart Valve Bank is going to do. But Swami said that you, Puppet, you want to take one step, I'll go 10 steps forward. And what he has done is that only 20 days before I had an email, Swami brought a cancer patient, a Amma, who is 57-year-old. She is suffering from a cancer of uterus. She was diagnosed in Vaidehi Hospital next to Swami's hospital in Whitefield. The operation was performed, and they were told, the family was told, that Amma has got life of only maximum 1 to 2 months. But look at this, brothers and sisters. Immediately I said I will not wait for 6th of May to be announced. I immediately intervened with the consent of my colleagues, my brother trustees. We arranged her checkup in Narayan Hridayalaya, which is again next to Swami's hospital in Whitefield. We immediately took a second opinion. Amma was sent for a PET CT scan, which is the most latest technological advanced scan, which can act as a almost 99% accurate on cancer diagnosis. And brothers and sisters, I am very, very extremely honored and pleased to share with you that the PET scan was performed. The detailed PET scan report was sent to me, which I have circulated to all. If any one of you is interested, I can share the copy with you. And you would be surprised. From the time Heart Valve Bank intervened, the cancer is cured. The cancer is completely cured. The cancer is completely cured. And the PET scan says that there is no trace of any cancer in any part of the body. And she has been discharged, and she has been asked to come back after 3 months only for a checkup. Now, who is this Amma? You brothers and sisters will be surprised. This respected Amma lives opposite Ganesh Gate. Could there have been a better beginning of Heart Valve Bank operations on cancer treatment? So, As I was saying in Puppet Show Part 1, that Swami's timing is perfect. He is a time master. Bhagwan, out of his immense love for Heartwal Bank, found a patient, Amma, from Puttaparthi, living opposite Ganesh Gate, extremely poor. Her business is to sell T-shirts which reads "Love all, serve all." And on a personal note, Swami could not have found a better patient for Heartwal Bank, because my own mother, Taraben, she was suffering from cancer and she died because of the uterus cancer. So, this is my own experience, that what it means to go through this dreadful disease. I read a very interesting article published by the UNO very recently. It says that the chemotherapy is the worst therapy on the surface of this earth. And the lymphoma, cancer, is the most difficult to be diagnosed. So, brothers and sisters, the way forward for Heartwal Bank is that we will now open our hearts to one and all for this new wonderful assignment that Swami has bestowed upon us out of love. The other way forward is, which is also very well time planned by Bhagwan Baba. I was sitting with Sri Kasturi, Sri Chakravarti Garu, who then was the secretary of the Central Trust, now who is also the trustee of the Sri Satya Sai Central Trust. And as we were discussing about certain things about Heartwal Bank, after I had finished my presentation, he asked me that, Puppet, have you made provision as to how Heartwal Bank will function after your death? And I said, no. And he said, then, I'm repeating his word. He said, Puppet, you are a stupid man. You started something very noble, so beautiful, so wonderful, so selfless. What will happen when you will not be around? And that is why this particular document, which was released by Dr. Puvan Chandra and offered at the lotus feet, is a way forward. That we have prepared a very detailed document which will lay us down the working principle of Heartwal Bank for generations to come. So there will be consistency, persistency and intensity in discharging the task which has been entrusted to us by Bhagwan Baba. Bhagwan was asked when the super speciality hospital in Puttaparthi was inaugurated, and when the first operations, you must have heard Swami's Divine Discourse of 22nd of November, and somebody asked Swami that, Baba, how long this hospital is going to be there? And Swami said, for next 1,000 years. Now that 1,000 year figure is only a symbolic one. What Swami meant is eternally. And so does it apply to Heartwal Bank. So I am very privileged to say that 2013, the 10th anniversary of Heartwal Bank, has reached a level of understanding. I remember once I was talking to Swami about the work of Heartwal Bank in Yajur Mandir after the lunch. And Swami extended his hand in front of me and he did like this. And he said, Puppet, don't seek funds. Che, kadu, kadu. Seek understanding. I'm taking the opportunity to convey to one and all of you. Giving money is very easy and simple. If you keep a stopwatch in front of you and write a check, it doesn't take even a minute. But to give consideration and understanding and to ensure that your heart consciously beats not only for you but for others too. That requires tremendous amount of effort. It requires tremendous amount of consideration. I must be honest to admit that whenever I have taken the groups at the Divine Lotus Feet, and many times I have taken number of cancer patients, and whenever the husband or the family member used to tell me that my wife is suffering from cancer, I used to feel sorry, that's all. At the most, what I will do is that I will tell Anita Ben that, please, sister, make sure that she stays on the ground floor. And make sure that she goes to the Sai Kulwant Hall for Bhagwan Darshan by not walking but arrange for a wheelchair. Beyond that, Mr. Popat was not affected. Because I had no concept of the pain. Bhagwan gave me this cancer. I am extremely grateful to him that he made me aware that, Puppet, Seva is not a concept. It must be your self-experience. It must come from Atmanivedanam. Now I know what is chemo. I know what it does. I know how you weep at night. I know exactly how you lose the taste buds. I know exactly when a person goes through radiotherapy, how the entire skin gets burnt. I exactly know now that a young girl, 16-year-old, when she gets lymphoma, high grade 3 stage, and when she loses her eyelashes and eyebrows and the entire hair of the body, then she realizes how difficult it is to see her own face in the mirror. Brothers and sisters, this requires understanding. I'm very proud to say I have gone through all this. And I'm going through every day. And I want you to understand with me that mere giving money is not enough. If you give only money to your son as school fee, and if you don't give sanskaram, he might become a lawyer, but he will not be a lawyer, he will be a liar. Bhagwan wants us to impart the Divya Sanskaram. So the 2013 and the way forward for all of you who are part of the Heartwall Bank family is to have more awareness and the understanding consciously that I have executed a standing order for, let's say, 50 pound from Lloyd's TSB Bank. Is it 50 pound that you are giving, or you are giving the life? Is it giving you the joy, or only giving you the happiness? Is it giving you the sense of bliss and peace, or you are happy that I must do something? ચાલો થોડું ઘણું તો કામ બાબાનું કરવું જ જોઈએ ને. હવે તો આપણું ઘર પણ મોર્ગેજ ફ્રી થઈ ગયું છે. હવે આપણે ઢોકળા ખાઈને કેટલા દિવસ સૂઈશું? No, that kind of thing is not required. So brothers and sisters, I think my time is up. I can stand here, you know that. Puppet can go on and on. I seek your understanding. I seek your awareness. I seek your cooperation in this yagna, where we are all pouring the ghee. Swaha, suswaha. Let us do it consciously. Let us not worry about whether the person has come from Africa or India or Hyderabad or Bangalore. These are all irrelevant things. Che, kadu, buddhi ledu. Wish, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The entire universe is my family. I remember after the inauguration of Super Speciality Hospital in Puttaparthi, Swami had called me for an interview on 25th of November. And Swami simply asked me, Puppet, that during those days Swami used to call me Rowdy. He said, Rowdy, did you go and see our hospital? I said, Baba, I went to your hospital. And he immediately told me, Puppet, it is not my hospital. It is our hospital. It is your hospital. And that is how Swami, I did not realize then what he meant. But 10 years thereafter, on 2002, he made sure that Heartwall Bank was born to serve his own hospital. I do not want to rattle the statistics, because as I said in the morning, if 5,000 people have been benefited, there are 25,000 people waiting in the queue, and Papa doesn't have the capacity. Not that I am disappointed, but that's a challenging job. that keeps me going. That is why we are expanding our horizon. We have now TB, leprosy and malaria in Nigeria. In United Kingdom, we have Gram Seva boys going to the nursing homes, meeting them. I remember last time when I showed this was in 2011 when I offered the album of 2010 Gram Seva. And when I said that, Baba, we had gone to this home and there is this person who is feeding giraffe in Leicester Zoo. He's 101 years old. And Swami was so excited like a child. He said, first time. I said, Baba, he is feeding giraffe for the first time in his life. He is 101 years old. That is joy. That is bliss. That is understanding. So with these few words, I once again thank all of you for making a day so wonderful. Let us be. I want to repeat which I have composed myself as Swami's instrument. Let us love our Master the way He loves us. Let us serve our Master as He serves us. Above all, let us honor our Master as He honors us. Swasti prajabhyam paripalayantaha nyayena margena mahi mahisha go brahmanibhya subhamastu nityam samasta loka sukhino bhavantu kayena vachana manasendriyerva buddhyatmana va prakriti svabhava karomi yadyat sakalam parasme narayanayti samarpayami satyanarayanayti samarpayami shirdi narayanayti samarpayami sai narayanayti samarpayami. Jai Sai Ram.